Hello and welcome. I'm revisiting the Buffalo Ranch chicken strip sandwich from Whataburger. It came out, I believe, in 2018. That's the last time I tried it. It's come and gone, and I never revisited it. I thought it had too much ranch. When I first originally tried it, it comes and goes, and it's back. And for me, it was free with the Whataburger app. They were like, just because. That's what it said. Just because. It's free. $7.49 value. Free. I'll throw up a screenshot and let's revisit this. So it's 3 chicken strips, 2 slices of Monterey Jack cheese, there should be buffalo and ranch on here, and a little side view, and quick semi-close up, some unmelted cheese. You see ranch, see a little bit of red. It looks like it's going to be ranchy. Again, there's more unmelted cheese on the bottom. Let's cut this in half. And just realized I don't have napkins. So there's the cross section. 3 chicken strips. It almost looks like there's 4. 3 and this little guy. That little chicken nugget that fell off the sandwich wasn't half bad, but let's see how this is. Right. This time around, I'm getting buffalo, creamy buffalo, rather than the first time I tried this. It was all ranch, like punching you in the face with really no buffalo. But I'm getting buffalo and creaminess. This is pretty awesome for being free, but if I had to pay $7.49 for this, I would still give it something. I'll give it a 7. Taste spiciness, the buffalo sauce, vinegar, flavors coming through. There's creaminess. There's a nice crunch. The cheese is not melted, but for free, this is a 10 out of 10, and it's a decent sandwich, and it's probably something you could hack on the menu, because they got a barbecue chicken strip sandwich. You could probably change out the bun, because that one's on Texas toast. I've never had it. Switch out the sauces and add the cheese, and you can get one of these. But yeah, this has been on and off the menu for the last 5 years, and this time it's pretty good, and it's free in the app, so it pays to be a member. Is it really a member? But it pays to have the apps available. They send you random offers, all these different restaurants. They do their own thing, and Whataburger said, just because, you can have this free. And I got another offer on there for free Whataburger. That's the number one. I got till the end of the month to redeem that one. No purchase required. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed this revisit. I enjoyed it. So as always, thanks for watching. You have a great day.